Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very short video on how to do a print head clean and a back flush on our continuous inkjet printer here at BestCode. First thing we're going to look for on our home screen is the little word that says clean, a little picture of a sweeper or a broom. Go ahead and hit that. You'll notice it says print head clean and back flush. Over here is our head, and that's what we're going to be working on when we do our print head clean. So go ahead here and hit print head clean, and we'll notice it starts at 0 and it will stop when it's at 100. But what we're doing now, guys, is we're cleaning our print head. So what we're doing down here is we're inducing our makeup cleaner to our umbilical and then through our print head. At around 49%, or you'd notice that we'll see a stream of makeup going straight down into our return gutter, and it's going to be vacuumed back up to our system, and we're just cleaning out the lines of any ink or debris that has been left over if you go away for the week or the weekend and you're not using your machine. That's a good way that we clean our print head. Then the second part I'd like to talk to you guys about is back flush nozzle, and you see that up here on the right hand side. That's going to require you to have some MEK. Our MEK bottles, just this, when it's full with our MEK, we're going to use this. So going between our drop generator and our charger, we're just going to take the MEK. We're going to point it right up into the hole here and just softly spray it in. And that's how we do a back flush for our nozzle plate. So in addition to what you have just seen, once a week we recommend the inspection of our print head. So right here I have our print head in one of our cleaning stations, and I'm just going to go through some of the things that we want to wipe down and clean with MEK. So with our bottle of MEK, and we use BestCode wipes. They're print head wipes, and the part number on that is 09-0032-01. You could pick these up, and I recommend you have them. It's very easy to clean the print head with this. So what we're going to be focusing on cleaning is our charger here. We're going to be focusing on cleaning our phase detector here, and then we're going to be cleaning in between our negative and positive deflection plates here. And also cleaning up the gutter a little bit. So with the MEK, starting from the top, we're just going to spray it down, and we're going to spray all the parts clean. Then I take the wipe and I clean in between the deflection plates. I wipe down the gutter. Anywhere that ink might have been, we just try to clean it up very nice. Make it look brand new there. And you can see ours was brand new, and I still got quite a bit off. And that's in addition to what we recommend you do once a week. Thank you.